Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's about noon now and I'm pretty much done trading. So let's look at today's action. On the Forex side, I got in today on my original trade setup. It was for, let's see, where did I get in? I got in at 1.82359, somewhere around there, somewhere around here, and then it went for about 15 pips. So it was a sell order. I sold it by market this time. I didn't use a limit order because price was pretty extended. So based on the original trade setup, I just took my bias as it is and just took the trade. And it turned out to be pretty profitable. I made, as I said, 14 pips. So for my account size, that equivalent in dollar value to $1.43, trading one mini lot. So that's on the Forex side. Again, for those of you interested in market profile levels, it was essentially below the value area low. So usually momentum is on the bearish side when price is lower than the value area low. So that's exactly what happened. As I said, I got in somewhere around here. It went for about 15 pips. And right now it's just hovering, again, it's around noon, it's hovering around these two high volume nodes, and this is a low volume node. So another way I could have taken it was I could have put a buy limit order around here and a sell limit order around here to see if price would come up to test the high and the low. It would be a counter trend trade. Nevertheless, I just took my original trade setup, and so that's how I took it for Forex today. Again, trading the pound Aussie. For futures, I was a bit more conservative. Let me just, sorry. So what I did was I used Fib retracement levels based on overnight's recent highs and lows, and so when it again, this is a counter trend trade. So when it reached this Fib level, I shorted it. It was here, so I got in at 28.13. I went for 2 ticks, so 28.13, 2 ticks on the ES futures, E-mini S&P 500 futures. That's equivalent to a gross profit of about 25 bucks, because each tick has a dollar value of about $12.50. So 2 ticks is about $25. That's after commissions, it'll be probably around 23 bucks or something. Any case, this is actually my combine. For those that don't know, this is I'm trading Top Step Traders combine to get funded for the ES futures. But then I discovered for my futures account that I the what do you call it, the profit targets I get are pretty conservative. So and the futures combine is not worth its while. And so what I do is I've applied for a live trading account. So by next week, or within actually the next 2 weeks, I should be switching over to my live account. But when you do the combine, they give you about 30,000 to start with. I've managed to grow the initial $30,000 to about 400 bucks profit. So with my live account, I'm gonna start with $2,000 with a daily margin of 500 bucks per contract. I only trade one contract, so it should be good from there. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. That's about today's trading. Forex went well, futures went well. All is good. My account is up. So yep, and then I'll try to see if I can get a trade in for the Asian session for pound New Zealand. Okay, you guys have a good day. Trade well. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for coming by. Cheers.